Hey, quick question for you. Have you ever felt like everything was going perfectly with a woman? The conversations were flowing. She was replying fast. She was laughing at your jokes. Sometimes she even texted you first. And for a moment, it felt effortless, like the connection was building naturally, almost magically. But then suddenly, something changed. Her replies got slower. Her energy felt different. She stopped asking questions. She seemed a little distant. And you had no idea what happened. You start replaying every conversation in your head. You analyze every word you sent. You wonder if you said something wrong. You overthink every small detail. If you skip this, you'll keep losing her, and you won't even know why. Point 1. The misconception about attraction. Most men think attraction fades because she found someone else. That's usually not the reason. Attraction fades when you unknowingly change your energy. The moment you start seeking validation, the moment you become too available, the moment you try too hard, the dynamic shifts, and she feels it immediately. Attraction isn't about effort. It's about emotional control. It's about presence. It's about knowing your value without needing to prove it. Think about it this way. Energy is like a magnetic field. If your energy is stable, calm, and confident, it draws people in. If your energy is anxious, needy, or reactive, it repels them. It's subtle, invisible, but incredibly powerful. Point 2. How attraction really works. Think back to the beginning. When you first started talking, you weren't trying to impress her. You weren't worried about losing her. You weren't checking your phone constantly. You were relaxed. You were playful. You were confident. You had your own life going on. And that's exactly what made you attractive. Attraction is emotional. It's intuitive. It's not about the number of texts. It's about the energy you carry. Imagine two people meeting at a party. Person A is relaxed, laughing, enjoying themselves. Person B is trying too hard, constantly seeking approval, asking, "Do you like me?" every 5 minutes. Who naturally draws attention? Who feels magnetic without even trying? Exactly. Energy and presence create attraction. Point 3. Where men go wrong. Then something happens. You start liking her more. You start imagining possibilities. Maybe you picture going out together. Maybe you start thinking about a future with her. Slowly, without realizing it, your mindset shifts. Instead of enjoying the interaction, you start worrying. Instead of expressing yourself naturally, you try to say the right things. Instead of being relaxed, you try harder. And that's when the dynamic changes. The moment a man starts seeking validation, the moment he becomes too available, the moment he begins trying to prove his value, the emotional balance shifts, and women notice it immediately. Point 4. The wrong reaction. Now, most men do the same thing. They overreact, they text more, they ask if everything is okay, they try to fix the situation. Instead of restoring balance, they create pressure. Attraction rarely grows under pressure. The more you chase, the less magnetic you become. It's like trying to hold water in your hands. The tighter you squeeze, the more it slips away. The key is not trying harder, but being yourself more deeply. Point 5. What you should do instead. Step 1. Slow down. Don't react emotionally. Don't chase. Don't overanalyze every message. Step 2. Give space. This doesn't mean playing games or ignoring her. It means letting the interaction breathe naturally. It means giving her room to feel curiosity again. Step 3. Focus on yourself. Remember the version of you that was relaxed, the version that had other priorities, the version that wasn't emotionally dependent on a single conversation. Step 4. Live with purpose. Confidence is magnetic. Purpose is magnetic. Being calm and grounded is magnetic. Step 5. Reinforce your boundaries. Your time, energy, and attention are valuable. By not giving everything away too quickly, you maintain attraction naturally. Point 6. Female psychology. Explained women are wired to notice subtle shifts in energy. They feel anxiousness, neediness, or overcompensation almost instantly. Even if they don't consciously understand why, attraction fades. Conversely, when you remain calm, grounded, and independent, curiosity grows, respect grows, desire grows. She starts thinking, why is he so different from the rest? Why does he seem so confident without trying? This is the subtle psychological pull that creates lasting attraction. Point 7. Real life scenarios. Scenario 1. You text her, and she replies slower than before. Most men panic and text back immediately, double text or ask, "What's wrong?" Wrong move. Instead, stay calm. Do not overreact. Engage with your own life. She notices your composure, and attraction grows subconsciously. Scenario 2. You're on a date, and she seems distracted. Most men try to win her back with jokes, compliments, or forced charm. Wrong again. Instead, be present. Be attentive, but not needy. Give her space to breathe. Her attraction naturally increases without you trying. Scenario 3. You notice her energy cooling over text after a few weeks. Most men overcompensate with more attention, more emojis, more effort. The right move? Pause. Live your life fully. Bring curiosity, confidence, and humor back in the next interaction. Watch how her energy shifts back naturally. Point 8. The principles of lasting attraction. Attraction that lasts is never built on effort alone. It's built on authenticity, presence, and emotional stability. Key elements: emotional stability, purpose, freedom, presence. A man who embodies these qualities never needs to chase attention. Even silence becomes magnetic. Even distance becomes magnetic. Even small gestures are felt deeply. Point 9. The core philosophy. The most attractive men are not the ones who try harder. They are the ones who are most comfortable with themselves. They are calm. They are grounded. They are not afraid of silence. They are not afraid of distance. They know their value. And people feel it immediately. Attraction grows in space, in balance, and in freedom. Point 10. Final message. The next time you notice her energy shifting, pause. Breathe. Focus on your own life. Stop chasing validation. Stop overthinking every text. Stop trying to impress. She begins to lean in naturally. She becomes curious again. She feels drawn to your calm, confident, authentic energy. This is the secret most men never understand. Once you embody this energy, dating becomes effortless. You attract without chasing. You connect without pressure. You create desire simply by being grounded in yourself.